Welcome, friends. Let's learn most commonly used sentences and understand their meanings. Let's start. See for yourself. See for yourself. खुद देख लो. Try once again. Try once again. एक बार फिर कोशिश करो. Make her laugh. Make her laugh. इसे हंसाओ. Run and hide. Run and hide. भागो और छुप जाओ. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. बस बहुत हो गया. Now come to the next page. Let's start. Pull yourself together. Pull yourself together. खुद को संभालो. Just back away. पीछे हट जाएं. Just back away. Don't be hasty. Don't be hasty. जल्दबाजी ना करो. Everyone makes mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. गलतियाँ हर एक से होती हैं. Try this out. Try this out. इसे try करो. Now come to the next page. Let's start. Nothing special. Nothing special. कुछ खास नहीं. See you later. See you later. फिर मिलेंगे. Go straight, then turn right. Go straight, then turn right. सीधे जाएं फिर दाएं मुड़ जाएं. Don't disturb others. Don't disturb others. दूसरों को तंग मत करो. You did a great job. You did a great job. आपने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. Come to the next page. I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat. मेरे गले में दर्द है. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. अपने हाथ ऊपर करें. I have a headache. I have a headache. मेरे सर में दर्द है. That's all for today. That's all for today. आज के लिए इतना काफ़ी है. I'll be back in a moment. I'll be back in a moment. मैं अभी वापस आता हूँ. I hope you learned and understood the sentences and their meanings. Goodbye.